So it's a pleasure to have you in my class. Today is Thursday, August 20th, 2020 EFL class. Okay, so what pages we are going to develop today's class? Actually are 74 and 75, okay? 74 and 75, please keep in mind that. All right, excellent, Dimitri. No issues? No, you don't have any problems? No? Okay, amazing. Paola, good morning. Genesis, Kaylee, Miguel, Rebecca, Sofia Guevara, Valeria Lopez, Valeria Martinez. Very good. Valeria Sigüenza, okay. All right. So, excellent. EFL. Okay, give me a moment. I'm fixing some things, okay? Excellent. Okay, I need you to open your books, please. Open your books. You have your books? Yes? Good morning, Deborah. Excellent. A lot of people here. Very good. All right. So, any questions so far? Very good. Okay. Excellent, guys. Continue with this. So we are 19 people. Salvador, good morning. Deborah, Ariana, and Camila. Okay, guys, for today's class, we are going to start a new unit, which is experiments are fun. This is the name of our unit, okay? So, to continue, we are going to develop a specific vocabulary. Well, actually, we have a lot of words for today's class, but I have simplified and I have written some of them, okay? For example, what is this? In a Spanish class, you have seen this. Lo han visto, right? In Spanish class. I think in science. Yes, definitely. It's something very common. Good morning, Florence. Excellent, Walter. In Spanish is that atom. In that case, in English, atom. Okay, the atom. Here's my example. The atom is made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Wow, this is the structure from an atom. So you know, atom is the smallest thing or smallest object that can exist in Earth. So it's everything. Everything has an atom. Okay, so this is the illustration. Any questions so far? Okay, we need to listen to the tracks as well. Okay, let's continue. No questions at the moment? Very good. Continue. Okay, we have another one. We have this one, battery. This is the pronunciation, okay? Battery. The consonant T, we pronounce it as R, battery, okay? So here's my example. Here's my example, okay? All right, so the portable radio requires 4 AA batteries. Los conocemos como la batería AA, ¿verdad? So it's very common to see that. Excellent. Okay, here's the example of the battery. The illustration. Okay. Yes, good. Thank you. Thank you, Alessandra. Yes, please copy the examples of these sentences, okay? Just to keep in mind. Remember, you are going to use or you can use these sentences for the Pictionary. Remember, because the Pictionary asks you to create specific sentences. So you can use this one or you can use your own ones. Pueden usar estas o pueden usar las otras que a ustedes se les ocurra. No problem. In your book, in your notebook if you want, or in the Pictionary, okay? In the Pictionary. You can copy these sentences in your notebook, in your EFL notebook, or in the book, as you like, as you consider, okay? Okay. No more questions? Okay, let's go back to the other one, just in case. Okay, the example of this one was this. The atom is made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Electrons, okay? Good, Walter, very good. Okay, ready to continue with the other one? Okay, we are not going to see all the vocabulary because there are a lot of. No vamos a ver todo el vocabulario porque son exageradamente muchos, okay? So, continue with the other one. Battery, yes, we saw it. And these are chemicals. Chemicals. Remember, it's talking about experiments. So this is very common to see this. It's very common. So imagine this chemical. Chlorine is harmful chemical. Chlorine is a harmful chemical. Wow, yes, definitely is harmful. So you can copy this sentence in the Pictionary. Just identify the illustration, the picture, and then write beside or next to the word. Okay? Okay. Is everything clear? Questions at the moment? Questions so far? No? Ariana? Santi? Dimitri? No questions? Genesis? Kaylee? Natalie? Pao? No questions? Febe? Excellent. Okay. Let's move on. The other one is this, light bulb. What is that? Well, I wrote an example here. Anna changed the electric light bulb in the living room. This is something very common to see or to have in our houses, so it's very useful all the time. So here's the illustration, right? It's the most common. We have one of these in our houses. Todos tenemos uno de estos, right? It's very common to have this in our houses. So it's very useful. Okay, you can copy this sentence for the Pictionary. Okay. Okay, let's continue. We don't have much time, so we need to save time. Good. The other one, test tubes. Test tubes. What is that? Here's my example. My Uncle Brian bought a new test tube the past week or the last week. Okay? So imagine I needed one. And my Uncle Brian bought. Fue a la tienda? No, right? Yes, probably. He went to the store or a specific store and he bought a new test tube. So the example of this, here's the illustration. They are very useful in the laboratory. laboratory rooms. And in the hospitals too, yes, definitely. It's very useful. So the test tubes, they put into the test tubes certain chemicals to make experiments, okay? This is the idea, to make experiments. Okay, let's continue with the other one. Did you copy the sentence? Did you all copy the sentence? Yes? Okay, I will trust you. Very good. Oscar, good morning. Okay, so you can create the other examples about the vocabulary. Now, let's focus, let's concentrate on for vocabulary about verbs, because this unit has more verbs. Okay, here we have add. Add. You know, add is when you put extra, one more thing, or extra things. You provide. Okay, so the family added an internet extension because they needed. I needed more internet, so my family added. Agregó, right? Added an internet extension for the Wi-Fi. For the Wi-Fi, exactly. So imagine, add is plus. You need to give more. You need to add. Give extra elements or things. Okay. Did you copy the sentence? Yes. Are we good? Any questions so far? We are doing the Pictionary right now. We are working on the Pictionary. Oscar, okay. Danny, good morning. Okay, good to know about you guys. No, right now we are working. Oscar, we are working on the Pictionary right now, okay? So, another one, attach. This is something that you have seen a lot of times. Attach. So here's my example. Jamie attached a note for her best friend last night. Imagine she wanted to say something to her and she wrote something special. Probably she was graduating from high school, I don't know, but she was writing something special and she attached. What is attach? Can you tell me in Spanish in the chat, please? What is attach? Aha, good question, Florence. What is attach? No, it's not that one. That is a place. A taco is another place, Oscar. Okay, attach is adjuntar. Adjuntar, okay? Very good. No problem, Florence. It's good. Okay, here's my example, or the illustration, the illustration. Attach, right? This symbol, you are going to see this symbol in an email, on WhatsApp, in different social medias, okay? You are going to see this symbol. Attach is when you put next to the document specific information and you send it to another person, okay? Did you copy the sentence in the Pictionary? Good. Is that good? Okay. Awesome. Very good, guys. Yes, Danny, that's the meaning in Spanish. Adjuntar. Very good. Let's continue. We need to finish with this. Okay, feel. Don't confuse, because there is another word that its pronunciation is the same. Is this. Feel. but I don't refer to this. This time I don't refer to this. So this is fill. This one has another meaning. Okay, this is not, we are not interested in this. We are not interested on this. So it's fill. Here's the example. He filled the bottle with water. He filled the bottle with the water. Okay, imagine you need to fill the container. In this case, for water. So it's very easy. This is not complicated. Here's the illustration. Imagine my water, imagine my bottle is empty, does not have water, and I need to go to the what? Probably some people go to the refrigerator, right? Okay, exactly. That's another way. Okay, I'm going to erase these notes to continue. Questions so far? Yes, at the kitchen too. Excellent, Dimitri. Well, some people have waters or another container or some containers out, out, out of the house, So it depends, right? But most people have in the kitchen. Okay, float. What is float? In this case, it has relation with experiments. Remember, so some scientists are experiencing some things, and they are searching, they are proving, they want to know something about, for example, coronavirus. They are searching, right? They are investigating a lot of things. But the word flood, imagine this. The autumn leaves, it's talking about the season. The autumn leaves flooded gently to the ground. So this is a season, remember, winter, spring, summer, and autumn. So it's one of the seasons of the year. Remember this. So it's probably in October, you will see this season where the autumn leaves are floating on earth. Exactly. So this is the illustration. The airplane floats on earth. The airplane floats, right? If not, there will be a lot of accidents. Yes, good. Very good, Florence. Okay, any questions so far? Are we good? We are good on time, okay? Continue with the other one. All right. Sink, okay. Don't confuse, it's not sing. In this case, is sink. Sink. What's the meaning of this? Somebody knows it? What happened? Okay, my balloon in that case is floating on the sky. Okay, excellent, Florence. I like it. The other one, okay, Oscar. Okay, wait. Copy the example, okay? The autumn leaves floated gently to the ground. It's a season, it's talking about season. One of the warmest seasons. Okay. Another one? Okay, Oscar, copy. Did you finish? Very good. Continue, sink. I was telling you what's the meaning of sink. I was asking you, what's the meaning of this in Spanish? Let's see if you have it. Sink? No? Okay, read the example. A stone will sink in water. A stone, what is, so first of all, what does this mean? ¿Qué significa esto? Stone. Let's see if you are here. It's different. Yes, Salvador, you got it. But incluirle una H. ¿Ok? In Spanish es hundirse, sink. Very good. It's different. Exactly. A stone. Stone is a little rock, small rock. A stone will sink in water. Here's my example. Imagine you throw a stone into the pool, and that stone is going to start sinking up to the bottom, hasta llegar al fondo, up to the bottom, right? So that's the example. Yes, excellent, Florence. That's the meaning. Okay, did you copy the example this time? Are we good? Very good, Danny. You are eager. Yes, you are an eager student. Very good. Another one. We have more time. We almost finished. Okay, this one is squeeze. Squeeze. Have you know this? Have you seen this before? Squeeze. How do we call this action, when you grab a lemon and you start squeezing that lemon? Aha. So here's my example. Robert squeezed the lemon because he likes sour flavors. That's the purpose. Why Robert squeeze? It's like this, right? Agarrar y empezar a what? What's the meaning? What's the action? Please tell me the action in Spanish. ¿Cómo le llamamos a esto? Let's see if you have it. I know you guys know it. Exactly. Podemos decir exprimir. En ese caso, yes. A lot of people work doing this. The jar start to sink in the water. Okay, another example. Very useful, Florence. Thank you. Exprimir, exactly. So because he likes sour flavors. Sour flavors. Remember, sour flavors es lo opuesto a lo dulce. Lo ácido o lo agrio que decimos. Excellent. Are we good on this? Okay, let's continue. Did you copy the example for the Pictionary? Yes? Ah, yes, lemonade, exactly. I like it. It's very fresh. Okay, let's continue with the other one. This is the last one. Suck. Suck. Instead of pronouncing you have to put or write an a. Suck, suck. Here's my example. The vacuum cleaner works to suck dust. That's its purpose, to suck dust in the kitchen, in the living room, in your rooms, in the garage, etc. Right? So that's its work. Yes, you can do it. No problem, Florence. Tú puedes. No problem. This is just optional, okay? You can copy my examples or you can create your own ones. Ustedes pueden crear sus propios, no importa. No problem. For me, it would be interesting. Okay? Yes. Absorber. Excellent, Danny. Very good. Oh, succionar, right? Suction. In other words, suction. You remember? It's like when you take a straw. Cuando tenemos una pajilla, you are sucking the soda, the juice, orange juice. It's delicious. Okay, another one. I think we finished with the vocabulary. Okay, now guys, now let's see. Okay, just give me a moment. I need to go back. I need to go back to the, let me see. Everybody, please open your books right now. Well, you have opened already, but let's see, let's find, let's go to the page 74. Let's see, yes, page 74 right now. We are going to listen to the audio, okay? According to this page, its pronunciation, okay, is 13 in this case. Well, it's different, the number. So, wait. Give me a moment. I think we are done. Very good. So please let me know in the chat if you can hear the track. Let me see. Okay, I got it.
Track 2.13. Listen and repeat.
Can you hear it? Yes? Please write in the chat if you can hear the audio. Yes? Awesome. Very good. Continue. Okay. Okay, let's go back. Let's play it again.
Track 2.13. Listen and repeat. Atom. Light bulb. Microscope. Chemicals. Magnet. Thermometer. Test tubes. Wires. Battery.
Very good, guys. Okay, very good. Okay, remember, this pronunciation is British. It's British pronunciation, por eso cambia un poquito. Ellos dicen atom, but in English from United States it's atom, okay? So there are a lot of, there are some changes. Okay, I need right now, let's see. So what was the first one? What was the first one? Ah, really? Okay, probably, yes. Yes, okay. I don't know why. Probably it's for the connection. That's why. Okay, guys, the first one, okay, we have time. The first one is this. We are talking about this. Number one, please. I know you don't have the stickers. You don't have the stickers, but please write the names. Write the names. For example, number one says the audio, atom. Okay, please write in that part that word. Okay, number two. Who has number two? This one. Number two. Let's see the answers. Yes, exactly. It's light bulb. Light bulb. Okay, you can click on zoom. Pueden acercarla si no alcanzan a ver, no problem. You can close it. Okay, another one, number three. Who has number three? Exactly, Avila, very good. It's microscope. Number three is microscope. Number four, who has number four, please? It's magnet or is different? Thermometer? No. Batteries? Wires? So what's the other one? It's this one. Chemicals. Wow. And this one is chemicals. Chemicals. This one, number four. Number five. Magnet. Remember. Magnet. Something fun is something funny. Number six. Who has number six? Please write the answers through the chat. And you can write the answers. on your books. Number 6 was thermometer. Okay, please write it on your book. Number 7 is test tubes. Okay, and number 8, battery. And the last one, wires. This was extra information. Okay, so you guys have right now the vocabulary. Okay, we need to see another part before we finish. So these are the most common expressions. Okay, can you repeat with me? How does it work? How does it work, please? Another one. Here, let me show you. Here, let me show you. This is another expression. Another one. Let's read the instructions. Let's read the instructions. And the other one, I have no idea. Okay. Very good. Guys, any questions at the moment? No? If you don't have questions, okay, let's go back. Let's go to the second page for today's class, 75. Here's the instruction. Look and complete the steps. Okay. In your book, you are going to see these materials, and you have to complete. You have to use these words in this container. There are a lot of words, and you need to use these words for these spaces, in the blank spaces, okay? So, but then we need to hear the second audio, okay? Is this, to complete this. Okay.
Track 2.14. Listen and check. Here are the instructions for Experiment 1.
Experiment 1.
First, fill a plastic bottle with water.
Is this one, right?
Then, suck some water into the pipette.
Suck, remember.
Put the pipette into the bottle.
3.
It will float. After that, put the cap on the bottle and squeeze it gently.
Is this one, squeeze.
The pipette will sink. And these are the instructions for Experiment 2.
For number 2.
First, add some salt to a glass of water.
Is this?
The salt will disappear.
Okay.
After that, attach the pieces of string to the pencil
Attach it to the pencil.
and hang them in the glass of water. The water will evaporate and crystals will form on the string.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, wait. I know you guys, it's very fast. But we are going to do something. Okay. So the audio says that we need to complete this. Okay. Please write the correct words. Who has the correct words in this case? What is number 1 here? According to illustration. Okay, I'm going to play the audio again.
Track 2.14. Listen and check. Here are the instructions for Experiment 1. First, fill a plastic bottle with water.
Yes, aquí, yes, like this.
Then,
Fill.
suck some water into the pipette.
Number 2.
Put the pipette into the bottle.
Yes.
It will float.
We float. Very
After
good.
that, put the cap on the bottle and squeeze it gently. The pipette will sink.
Squeeze.
And these are the instructions for experiment 2.
Number 2.
Add some salt to a glass of water.
Add.
The salt will disappear.
Okay.
After that, attach the pieces of string to the pencil.
Number 3. Attach.
And hang them in the glass of water. The water will evaporate and crystals will form on the string.
Will evaporate and crystals will form. Okay, these are extra information, remember. So these ones, all of these words, we heard them. Las escuchamos in the track, right? So we needed to complete this. Remember, I already gave you the answers. Please write the answers on your books. Please, when you finish, you can send me the pictures from your work or your homework, okay? Any questions so far? Guys, any questions? Did you complete it? Did you finish? Okay, thank you, Florence. What about the rest of the class? Oscar, any questions? Camila, Ariana, Avila, Santi, Deborah, Genesis, Kaylee, any questions? Miguel, Natalie, Rebe, Sophie, Sofia Guevara. No questions? Thank you. Okay, very good. Excellent, Genesis, you finished. Valeria Sigüenza, any questions? Walter, Alessandra? No? Did you finish with this? Okay, guys, excellent. We are good. I think, wow, yes. Yeah, let me see what's missing. I don't see Dimitri here. Okay. So guys, please, this is just a reminder, un recordatorio, right? Don't forget to send your weekly homework. Please, today's homework. Don't forget to send penmanship homework, spelling homework, language homework, reading, and EFL homework. Please, send it to me when you finished. Any questions so far? Thank you, Valeria Sigüenza. Very good. Any questions? No? Okay, guys. So it's a pleasure to know about you. See you around. Have a good day, everyone. Please take care. 74. We don't have much time, Flores. Let's see the other page. 70.